Hey guys, today's video is about me practicing katas using the United Cutlery's Honshu Boshin Tactical Katana. I feel like training with something a bit hefty today, so I chose the Honshu Boshin for it is the heaviest sword that I own. Previously, I've said the sword isn't suitable for traditional practice because of its tactical, modern design. And true to my concern, the kurigata, or the sakeo holder, is designed far way too close to the obi. So practicing the sayabiki requires a bit of adjustments now. Small adjustments helped to mitigate the problem. Wobbly hands when transitioning to the grip. Switching over to Seite katas. The kisaki dropped a little. My single arm isn't strong enough to handle the weight. The sandals really grip the floors, makes it hard for my foot to float as I turn. We're losing quite a bit of light. I think it's about time to wrap this session up. Handling a heavier sword forces you to slow down quite a bit and focus more on correct forms and details. With a bit of caveat and adjustments, I think the Honshu Boshin can actually work for a traditional kata practice. But it is always nice to prove your past theories wrong sometimes. Hope you enjoyed this session. Please do like and subscribe, and don't forget to click on the notification bell for more videos in the future. Thanks, and I'll see you all in the next one.